how to use different guns in Fire Kirin face shooting game. Alright players, let's dive right into the Fire Kirin face shooting game and talk about one of the most exciting parts, using different guns. So when you start the game, you will notice a basic cannon, but here's the fun part. You are not stuck with just one. You can switch guns anytime to match the face you are targeting. On the screen, look for the plus and minus button near your cannon. Press the plus button to upgrade your gun and press the minus button to downgrade it. Super easy. Now why switch guns? Because not all fish are the same. Small fish use a lower level gun. It costs fewer bullets and save you points. Big fish or boss, that's where you bring out the heavy cannons. The higher level guns fire stronger bullets, giving you a better chance to capture the big rewards. Here, at the left side, you can choose gun from here. You need to unlock some guns. Balance your gun choice with the target size. That way you save point and win big. So keep on eyes on your point while switching. If this helped you master your aim, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your fellow Fire Kirin hunter. See you in the next round. Happy shooting!